Aloha, this is Doña, and today we talk about the free play. What is the free play? By the way, I'm Doña, your ukulista who brews you some nice, sweet, and tasty ukulele tutorials. Last week I promised you the free play, and now we start. We already learned about the Spanish techniques, the Andalusian cadence, the minor and major scales, and the harmonic minor scales. If you are not familiar with that, please stop this video and check out my playlist, the 5 to 4s. And volume 2 to 3, I started with the Spanish style. Check out my playlist and please practice those things before you go ahead here. Anyway, so what is the free play? The free play is to play what is inside you without any structures and saying, okay, I have to play the canon in D. And at the moment we have December or January and everybody's playing Carol of the Bells and everything. No, we play what our inside is, our emotion, what our belongings are, or maybe what our pain is. Most of the musicians are so mellow and blue, and they express themselves by their bad and sorry moods and tell the people what is inside them, the pain, the emotions, and everything. So we have base a basic knowledge, so we know how to make chord progressions and scales, and that's the chance to express what's inside me. So what I just showed you in the beginning, I can't really remember what I did. It just turned out of myself, and this is the most interesting thing. Just play what you feel. Don't think, play, do it. Give yourself a tiny structure. So today I'm in the mood of the D major scale, and I do the chord progression like I did now in the Andalusian cadence, which is a B minor scale finally. So I played the chord like we did in the last tutorial, the B minor, then the A major, the G major, and the E7. I know how the B minor scale works. And I started combining. So I played. So I listened to my heart, what matched, and I thought, maybe there were some wrong tunes or sound. I retried. I listened to my feelings. So oh, I feel it in my heart. Maybe there's something with my heart chakra, if you are familiar with chakras, and it triggers you. So I felt, oh, this is something in my throat and heart. And A is more for throat and head things. So my head is crowded. It's a crowded house at the moment. So I think I'm very close to the key of A. Okay, and I retry it again. Oopsie, with the wrong key. So again, I retry it again. Yay, I like it. So I want to keep that. So maybe I go ahead and just play it as my personal mantra, or write it down, and there will be my song of my emotions, and we start creating songs. Or just go ahead and play. I feel today the high pitch, so maybe you want to have more the low pitch, but this is how you start with creating free play. Go away from structures and tabs you have to follow. You follow your inside, your feeling, and feel where in your body a special key or tone triggers you. So I felt, that is for me really grounding. I felt it in my solar plexus, the key of G, and I feel like, for me it's pretty earthy, that sound. And I want to stay there. Maybe I want to do some arpeggio. Noodling around, what helps me? How does it feel? Or do I want to do a pinching pattern, or something like this? Go inside you and start feeling what you are doing. So today I stop so far this tutorial because this needs time to practice, and I just show you with the 2 chords where I felt there's something going on in my body. It was the B minor and the G major, and now I stay here and just play around with those 2 chords and doing my own chord melody and expression, fingering, pinching, or strumming. Don't overwhelm your brain and your inside. Listen to your body, mind, and soul and heart, and feel it. And next week we do further tiny steps. Please leave a comment. How does it feel? What is going on with you? And we do more structure and further steps with our free play. Love you. See you soon. Doña.